John Villarreal here, sales manager Audi Coral Springs. It's back and it's strong. The RSQ8 right here, 591 horsepower, 590 foot-pounds of torque, twin turbo V8. People loved the last video, but they wanted some more exterior shots. Now we're gonna set up a special video later, but I just wanted to get some quick footage of this awesome vehicle. Look at that, 23-inch rims. This thing sold within a day when it was here, and it looks sharp. Now we're under the, we're in the service lane right now at Audi Coral Springs. You can't see everything. I'm trying to get the shots, but look at that grill. Look at that honeycomb grill right there. RSQ8, so tough, dude. It's so tough, the LED lights. We love the look of it. This thing's absolutely gorgeous. Really cool. It looks fast just standing still. It looks so fast just standing still, and it's awesome. It's got that look. I love that setup right there. I love the sport exhaust, and this back, the way it looks, is really strong. The tow package, everything, it's all put together. It's all put together, and then that's a ticket right there. So it's got a great look. It's an awesome vehicle. That thing sounds so tough, dude. Look at that. That exhaust is serious. Sport exhaust. Serious. I love it. Yep. Look at the RSQ8 here, it looks amazing. You see a little fine tuning here. Tremendous wheels. Looking super sweet. You can see how amazing this car looks on the exterior. The great lighting here. Looks unbelievable. Twin turbo V8, 591 horsepower, 590 foot-pounds of torque. 0 to 60, 3.7 seconds. Sport differential, automatic with every one of them. Super fast, new technology. It's got the special virtual cockpit modes. Very cool car. This thing looks tough. It is tough. Such an amazing vehicle. We really love it. Glad that we were able to sell this thing very quickly here at Audi Coral Springs to a tremendous client. Fantastic vehicle. Great looking vehicle. We appreciate it. We're gonna bring you another one, another big video with this car later. Stay tuned for that. Check out the first video where I go around it, do the test drive, everything like that. John Villarreal, sales manager, Audi Coral Springs. Stay tuned for the next video. Thanks so much.